I think hustle culture is one of the biggest lies told to creators. And I actually built my business the opposite way. Let me explain what I mean. When I first started making money online, I thought I had to be everywhere on every single platform. I thought I had to be super busy working crazy hours every single day. I thought I had to have a million different income streams. And I thought having those huge income months was what success truly was. But here's what I started noticing. Having those bigger income months was way more pressure on me. I was always thinking about my next move and not really taking things in and really celebrating those small wins. And I was always adding stuff in, adding other income streams, and honestly, it just made things more complicated. I wasn't building true freedom. I was just building a life where I would just be more busy. And that's when I had to be honest with myself. Was I truly building an actual business, or was a lot of these things I was doing just feeding my ego? A big thing I used to be fixated on was the numbers, things like views, likes, or even when I felt like I've always had to say that I'm growing or I'm scaling something. Those things are definitely more ego driven and not necessarily, I want to not only build a business, but build a business to give me true freedom. See, ego is loud, it's flashy, but true freedom is quiet. And I've learned freedom is things like simplicity, really simplifying things that I'm doing. It doesn't have to be flashy. I don't have to completely exhaust myself to achieve the goals that I want. It's stability, is having more energy to do the things that I love in life and not feeling burnt out because I'm hustling every single day, every single hour like a madman. So I remember clearly making a decision to operate differently, to build a more sustainable business. The first step, I let go of a lot of things. A lot of stuff is just noise. It's things that just can keep you busy, but you cannot even really be getting results and actually moving the needle. And you're burning yourself out. I stopped trying to scale everything. As a one-person business, you can only do so much. You can truly only scale 1 to 2 things at a time. Instead of going wider with things, I just went deeper on things that were already working. As an entrepreneur, I've always felt that itch of wanting to add more, wanting to try something new. And when you do that, you lose focus, which means things stop growing. And having the right focus is everything when it comes to being an entrepreneur and even being self-employed. And lastly, just doubling down on systems that were already working. So you can see how all these things kind of tie together. And this whole anti-hustle thing doesn't mean you're being lazy. For me, it's working smarter and being more intentional about the things that I'm doing and how I'm showing up. And here's the part people don't talk about. I don't need record-breaking income months. This February is nowhere near my December or January, and I'm okay with that. With where I'm at now, I'm needing the stable months. I'm needing the more predictable income. Yes, of course, I want to make more money, but now I also understand I want to build a certain type of business. A business that fits my lifestyle, provides me freedom, and where I don't have to hustle 24/7. Like I always say, I'm not trying to be everywhere. I'm sticking to my specific systems and platforms that work for me and not chasing dopamine from things that don't even matter. I don't want the noisy, chaotic income anymore. I want the predictable income, something that I like to call it now, the quiet income. At the end of the day, I just want a business that gives me true freedom and flexibility to live the life that I want to live.